Hi again. So today we do the reformer routine of plank. Is to build up the arm strength, core strength, and the balance. Let's start. First, arms apart, next the punch, and put the heel on, put the leg on top of the shoulder rest. So make sure your knuckle and the shoulder arm in line. Exhale, push your legs up. Inhale, knees bend, up. So the power is from the legs. Is to build the leg strength, core strength. Continue 4. And 3, 2, 1. Hold in position. Come back. Inhale. Next. Right. Draw the chest in. Heels down. This is the arm front. Lift the back as far as you can. Draw the chest down. Exhale. Inhale back. To stretch on the hamstring area. Breathe. 4. Slowly. 3. 2, longest one, 1. Come back, inhale. Variation 2, pick up the right leg up to the ceiling. Up, as high as you can. 2, 3, 4. Come back, knees bend. Change on the left leg. Back, inhale. Extend the left leg up to the ceiling, toe pointing up. Fully stretching the right leg up, inhale. Draw the carriage back. Without shift the body front and back. 4, 3, 2. Great. Come back. Inhale. Of course, you can practice more and a little bit more. For the advance here, we pick the right leg up to the ceiling as high as you can. Just stretch up. Inhale, knee back. Up. Inhale. Followed by change the great stretching for the arm strength. Arms. Build the arm strength. Up. Up to the ceiling, inhale, 2, up, come back, draw the carriage back, inhale, back to the center. Thank you very much. Good luck to see you in our CV Pilates class, or try our website www.myfitness.com.sg. I would love to